Hey there, so here I'm trying to install the VPN Super Unlimited and for the first time. So just gonna walk you through this process. So I just downloaded the app. It's pretty popular app. I highly recommend you to try it out. It's in top charts of the US App Store. And then, for example, you can see some free locations. You can see some paid locations. Free ones, usually these are major countries like US, UK, Germany. VIP locations allow you to get access from kind of niche regions. So like some smaller European countries, smaller, more niche Asian countries, and all of that. So then, for example, I want to set it up this location. And when you're doing it the first time, so only the first time, you will need to set up these VPN configurations. So after that, you need to enter your phone passcode. So just proceed with that. It's not possible to do it with Face ID or like Touch ID. You need to remember your passcode. Do that, and automatically it will set up your VPN settings. And after that, it will be just possible to start using it every time.